Chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are highly intelligent primates and are one of the closest living relatives of humans. They share about 98% of their DNA with us, which explains why their emotions, social behaviors, and problem-solving skills are so advanced. Chimpanzees are known for their curiosity, strong relationships, and ability to learn from one another. Studying chimpanzees helps scientists better understand human evolution, behavior, and social life. How chimpanzees live. Chimpanzees live in the forests, woodlands, and savannas of Central and Western Africa. They form large social groups called communities, which may include anywhere from 20 to more than 100 individuals. These communities are divided into smaller groups that change throughout the day, depending on activities like feeding or traveling. Chimpanzees have a complex social structure. Adult males usually compete for dominance, and the strongest male often becomes the leader. However, females play a key role in raising young and maintaining social bonds. Chimpanzees communicate using vocal sounds, facial expressions, gestures, and physical contact. Grooming is especially important as it helps build trust and strengthen relationships within the group. What chimpanzees eat. Chimpanzees are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant and animal foods. Most of their diet consists of fruit, which provides them with energy and nutrients. When fruit is not available, they eat leaves, seeds, bark, flowers, and nuts. Chimpanzees also eat insects such as termites and ants, and sometimes hunt small animals like monkeys. They are well known for using tools to help them find food. For example, they use sticks to pull insects out of nests or stones to crack open hard nuts. This tool use shows their intelligence and ability to solve problems. How chimpanzees take care of their children. Chimpanzee mothers are deeply devoted to their young. A baby chimpanzee depends completely on its mother for food, protection, and comfort during the first few years of life. Infants cling to their mother's belly when very young, and later ride on her back as they grow stronger. Mothers teach their children essential survival skills, such as finding food, using tools, and understanding social rules. Young chimpanzees also learn by watching other adults in the community. This long learning period helps them become successful adults and strengthens family bonds within the group. The lifespan of chimpanzees. In the wild, chimpanzees usually live between 30 and 40 years. Their lifespan can be shorter due to threats such as disease, injury, and habitat loss. In captivity, where they receive medical care and steady food supplies, chimpanzees can live up to 50 or even 60 years. Chimpanzees go through different life stages, including infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and old age. Their long lifespan allows them to build lasting relationships and pass knowledge from one generation to the next. How humans can help save chimpanzees from extinction. Chimpanzees are endangered because of deforestation, illegal hunting, disease, and the wildlife trade. As forests are destroyed for farming, mining, and logging, chimpanzees lose their homes and food sources. Hunting and illegal pet trading also greatly reduce their populations. Humans can help protect chimpanzees by conserving forests, supporting wildlife protection laws, and donating to or volunteering with conservation organizations. Reducing pollution, choosing sustainable products, and educating others about the importance of chimpanzees can also make a difference. By working together, humans can help ensure that chimpanzees survive for future generations. Chimpanzee intelligence and tool use. Chimpanzees are widely recognized as some of the most intelligent animals on Earth. Their cognitive abilities include problem solving, planning for future events, and learning through observation and experience. These skills demonstrate a level of intelligence once thought to belong only to humans. In the wild, chimpanzees have been observed creating and using a variety of tools. They carefully select and modify sticks to extract termites from their mounds, strip leaves to create sponges for collecting water, and use stones as hammers and anvils to crack open hard-shelled nuts. These behaviors require foresight, precision, and an understanding of cause and effect. Even more remarkable is the fact that tool use varies between different chimpanzee groups. Some communities use tools that others do not, even when living in similar environments. This variation shows that chimpanzees possess cultural traditions, learned behaviors passed from one generation to the next. Their intelligence and adaptability play a critical role in helping them survive and thrive in complex and changing environments. Social bonds and emotions. Chimpanzees live in close-knit communities and experience a wide range of emotions, including joy, sadness, fear, jealousy, and empathy. These emotional capacities allow them to form strong social bonds with family members and long-term companions. Grooming is one of the most important social activities among chimpanzees. Beyond keeping their fur clean, grooming reduces stress, strengthens friendships, and helps maintain harmony within the group. Chimpanzees often spend hours grooming trusted partners, reinforcing social ties. They also display compassion and cooperation. After conflicts, chimpanzees may comfort distressed individuals through touch or gentle gestures. Adults have been observed adopting orphaned young, caring for them as if they were their own. When hunting or defending their territory, chimpanzees work together, demonstrating teamwork and shared responsibility. These behaviors highlight striking similarities between chimpanzee and human social life. Threats facing chimpanzees today. Despite their intelligence and adaptability, chimpanzees face numerous threats that endanger their survival. Habitat loss is one of the most serious challenges. Forests are increasingly destroyed or fragmented due to agriculture, logging, mining, and road construction. As their natural habitats disappear, chimpanzees are forced into smaller areas, increasing competition for resources and conflict with humans. Diseases pose another major threat. Illnesses such as Ebola and respiratory infections can spread rapidly among chimpanzee populations, sometimes wiping out entire communities. Because chimpanzees are genetically similar to humans, they are especially vulnerable to human-borne diseases. Poaching and the illegal wildlife trade further threaten chimpanzees. Adult chimpanzees are often killed for bushmeat, while infants may be captured and sold as pets or used for entertainment. This not only causes immense suffering, but also disrupts social groups and reduces population numbers over time. Conservation efforts around the world. Around the world, conservation organizations, governments, and local communities are working together to protect chimpanzees and their habitats. National parks and wildlife reserves offer protected areas where chimpanzees can live with minimal human disturbance. These protected spaces are essential for preserving natural behaviors and ecosystems. Rescue and rehabilitation centers care for chimpanzees that have been orphaned, injured, or rescued from illegal captivity. When possible, these chimpanzees are gradually reintroduced into the wild. Scientists also conduct long-term research to better understand chimpanzee behavior, health, and ecological needs, helping shape effective conservation strategies. Education plays a vital role in conservation success. Programs that teach local communities about the importance of chimpanzees and sustainable land use help reduce conflict and encourage coexistence. When people understand the value of protecting wildlife, conservation efforts become more effective and long-lasting. Why chimpanzees matter to the world. Chimpanzees play a crucial role in maintaining healthy forest ecosystems. By eating fruit and dispersing seeds across wide areas, they support forest regeneration and plant diversity. Healthy forests, in turn, help regulate the climate, store carbon, and produce oxygen, benefiting life on Earth as a whole. Chimpanzees also hold great scientific importance. Studying them provides insight into human evolution, intelligence, communication, and social behavior. Their similarities to humans help scientists better understand what it means to be human and how our ancestors may have lived. Protecting chimpanzees means preserving biodiversity and safeguarding an irreplaceable part of Earth's natural heritage. Their survival is deeply connected to the health of the planet. Conclusion: protecting our closest relatives. Chimpanzees are extraordinary beings with complex minds, rich emotional lives, and strong social bonds. Although they face serious threats from human activity, their future is not beyond hope. Through conservation efforts, education, and responsible choices, humans have the power to ensure that chimpanzees continue to live and thrive in the wild. Protecting chimpanzees is not only about saving a single species, it is about respecting nature and honoring one of humanity's closest relatives. The fate of chimpanzees depends on the actions we take today, and their survival will reflect our commitment to protecting the natural world for generations to come.